With the debt avalanche, you're going to list all of your credit cards, and I want you to write down the balances, the APRs. Now, with debt avalanche, we're focusing on the APRs. Remember, that's the interest rate with a credit card. So list the credit cards and their balances in order of APR, starting with the highest APR going down. We're going to focus on the highest APR first. Now, I like this method because you save the most money. You knock off the card that has the most interest, and that's a good thing.